Hello, it's Andrew here and welcome to Life on Pig Row. We're in the greenhouse again today and we're going to look at how to make paper pots. Now, it's really quite easy. A few years ago we got given this and it's been covered ever since, and I kind of wimped out of using it, but I've started moving away from plastic pots and I want to give this a good try this year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some paper pots. I'm going to show you how to do that. And also I'm going to show you how you can reuse a mushroom tray, the big mushroom trays you've got. And that way you're going to save yourself some money, especially if you get the free newspaper like we do off the trains and the buses. So let's have a look at how to make that. And before we start, don't forget, like and subscribe to our channel, because every like, every subscription pushes us forward to meet new people and to work with you as our community. So the instructions are quite fiddly. It tells you to cut the paper to a certain size. Well, frankly, we had a little practice and we discovered this is a certain newspaper, and this is the name then, a certain newspaper that you can get on buses and trains for free, and it's actually the right size. And all we do is fold it in half like so we've got quite a thick wall. We take this and we wrap it around. This is the fiddly bit of all of it, in my opinion. I'm all fingers and thumbs when I do this. So there we go. You see, I've wrapped it around like so. And then what you do, whatever's at the bottom, you fold in. And we've done paper pots in the past, and I think 9 times out of 10 there's not enough paper at the bottom. This is why I'm not following the measurements. And then you take this and you gently squeeze it on. Something quite erotic about it. And then there you are, it's crushed at the bottom. And this again is the fiddle bit, trying to get the flipping thing off. But here it comes, there it goes, and there we are. Ta-da! One paper pot. The only worry I always have with these is this bit here. But when it's in with the other trays, hopefully it won't burst apart. So what we're going to do now, we're going to fill a tray full of these. I'm going to show you what they look like when they're filled. And in no time, we have 12 paper pots. I'm going to fill these up now. We're at the point in our relationship on this channel where I don't think I have to show you how to fill a pot up with soil. So we're going to fast forward to that. So you are 12 paper pots filled up, and this is a mushroom tray. You can also use the chicken trays you get from supermarkets as well. There's no holes in the bottom of this. There's a reason for that. So when it waters, I can tell how much water I've put in, and I'm not over-watering them so they go completely and utterly damp. Now I'm going to put tomatoes in this. So off we go with my tomatoes. They're over here. I'm going to prick them out. And the great thing about these tomatoes is I collected all this seed. Yay! So again, it's another free plant in a free pot. So I'm going to tease it in. Down it goes. If the tomatoes are a bit leggy, you can push them right down. There you go. And in it is. And again, so you can see it one last time before I carry on. There's my tomato. I'm going to go down here so you can see. Pop it in here, make a nice hole. Tease it down. And it can go right down because the stem must send out more roots. And there we go. Now I'm going to do the whole of this tray. And there you are. 12 pots of gardener's delight. Isn't that fantastic? It's just a matter of watering them. And then pop in a label. So let's talk about doing it even cheaper than this. This, according to the label, was £12, but this was bought years ago. And frankly, I don't think whoever bought it from me would have paid £12. More than likely they got it in a sale. You can do it even cheaper. You don't need this. You just need a tin can, a full tin can from your larder or your cupboards. Same again, you wrap it around. But the only difference is when you come to do the bottom, when you fold it in, you crush it down on something hard like a table and twizzle it around and you'll have a flat bottom. With this one you don't, you have an indented bottom. Doesn't make any difference. both exactly the same outcome. The pot will obviously be bigger with a tin can, but it'll still do the job. So it's goodbye from me at Life on Pig Row, and hope to see you next Saturday. Until then, bye bye.